Just got my hands on the Chefman Obliterator Auto Countertop blender, and I can confidently say, this is the one. Let's start with the looks. That stunning midnight color, a soft wizard green tone, fits my kitchen like it was designed for it. It's not just a blender, it's a statement peeing. Now, here's where it gets even better. I've always hated making smoothies in the morning because my old blender sounded like a constructing set. Not anymore. This one is so quiet, even on thing mode. I was literally shocked the first time I used it. Chefman, how did you make something this powerful yet so peaceful? It's gonna. But wait, the real showstopper. The self-cleaning feeder. Cleaning blenders is to be the worst part of my day, but with this, it's a breeze. Just add water and soy, press a button, and it's done. I actually found myself enjoying the process. It's that is. If you're still thinking about other blenders, stop wasting your time. Delete them from your cart and grab this one. Trust me, this isn't just a purchase, it's an upgrade to your life.